Alright, one of the greatest skills you can learn in your teens and 20s is not how to fit in, is how to be alone. Yes, you heard that right. People change, some stay, some leave, many leave. So if your entire life is depending on them staying, then you are probably putting your future in someone else's hand. One of the biggest mistake people make is that building their entire life around other people. You need that one friend to go to college, you need that one friend to go to an event, you need that one friend group to make plans, and suddenly if they're not coming, you don't want to go to that particular place either. Why? Because somewhere along the way you became dependent on other people for the experiences that you could have had on your own. Trust me, I've been there. I've had friendship that I thought would last forever. I've given my 100%. I was always true. I've always shown up for people, and I have experienced betrayal as well. Like the kind that will make you think that after giving my everything, this is what I deserve. And that's when I learned something. Having people is not an achievement. Learning how to live without constantly needing people is. Because when you are always surrounded by noise, you don't spend enough time building yourself. You're busy keeping up with everyone else. You're busy making plans, busy chasing validation. But when you are alone, something really interesting happens. You finally find yourself. You start meeting yourself. You start noticing your flaws, your strengths, your dreams, the thing you need to work on. You realize yourself, you meet with yourself. किसी और को फोन करना नहीं पड़ेगा, कॉल करके बात करना नहीं पड़ेगा, या मीट करना नहीं पड़ेगा कि just because you are bored, you stop waiting for someone else to save you from your boredom, and you build a life that actually excites you. People are important, friendships are beautiful, but your life cannot depend on them. Because people change, people grow, people leave, some stay, some leave. And if your happiness is built entirely on who stays, you are giving away the control of your own life. This is your life. This is your life. You understand? This is your life. How can you be behind if this life belongs to you? How can you be left behind if this life belongs to you? You are the director, you are the main character of your own life. No race, there is no timeline, there is only you and the life you are building every single day. The most common question people ask after a friendship ends is that I gave them everything, so why did they do this to me? I trusted them. I was always be there with them when they had nobody. I gave them my everything. I never had bad intentions. I was always there for them. So why did they do this to me? And the truth is, just because you saw them with love, respect, loyalty, doesn't mean they have saw you the same way. Yes, just because you saw them with love, respect and loyalty doesn't mean they have saw you the same way. Just because you valued them doesn't mean they have valued you the same way. Just because you would never had hurt them doesn't mean they were operating with the same mindset. A lot of people spend months, sometimes years to figure out what they have did wrong. Maybe nothing. Maybe the friendship did not end because you were not good enough. Maybe it ended because they had a completely different perception of you than the one you had of them. And this is the part nobody wants to accept. You cannot control how someone chooses to see you. You cannot control the stories they say to themselves about you. You cannot control the assumptions they make about you. And honestly, it is not your job to. The moment someone decides who you are in their mind, you can explain to them 1,000 times about yourself, but it will still remain the same. And it will not change anything. Because people don't always leave because you are a bad person. Sometimes they have their own belief, they have their own perception about you, and you cannot control it. And that's exactly you need to learn to be alone. Because if your peace is depending on people understanding you and staying with you and spend time with you, you'll spend your entire life disappointed. Let them misunderstand you. Let them think whatever they want to think about you. Your job is not to convince them that you are a good person or you are not this kind of a person. Your job is to build your own life and get this shit into your head. The best thing is that the audacity people show after leaving you should be enough proof that they were never truly meant for you in the first place. And एक बार अगर तुमने अकेला रहना सीख लिया ना, if you master this skill ना, then trust me, you will start respecting yourself, and not only this, you will see other people respecting you. Trust me on this, जितना ज्यादा तुम अकेला रहना सीखोगे ना, उतना ज्यादा तुम्हारा फोकस दूसरों से हट के खुद पे आएगा. तुम्हारा मन नया चीज सीखने का करेगा, नया स्किल्स ट्राई करने का करेगा. You will always try to learn something new. And the best thing is that you will always try to improve yourself. तुम खुद को improve करना चाहोगे, तुम खुद को improve करना सीखोगे. Because when you are constantly surrounded with people ना, you are usually busy reacting to their life. But when you are alone, you finally get the chance to build your life. And one more thing, please stop giving everybody unlimited access to you. हर किसी को तुम्हारे लाइफ में वीआईपी पास नहीं मिलना चाहिए. सबके पास जाके मिलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. हंस हंस के बात करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to be good to everybody. This might be you are just trying to be good to people, to nice to people, but they will not take it in a positive way. वो तुम्हें पॉजिटिव आंखों से नहीं देखेंगे. The more you are available to everyone, the more people will take your presence for granted. They will be like, अरे इसको ना बाद में बुलाते हैं, एक बार बोल देंगे तो ये चला आएगा. या she'll be there. इतना फॉर्मेलिटीज है, उसको बोलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, वो आ ही जाएगा. This is how they will talk. They'll be like, no need to express everything like this. She'll understand. Yeah, they will talk like this. And that's exactly where the problem starts. The day you start creating boundaries, people start noticing you differently. The day you stop chasing, people start respecting you. The day you stop seeking validation, people start talking to you differently. Why? Because they see now that you have a life of your own and getting access to you is not that easy. Main thing is that you have your own priorities now. You have your own goal now. You have your own life now. You are not sitting around waiting for someone to choose you. You are busy choosing yourself, and this is what you should do. Write this down. People who are constantly available to everyone rarely get the time to build their own life. But the people who learn to enjoy their own company end up building a life that everybody wants. So the only piece of advice that could literally change your view on life is learn to be alone. Learn to sit alone. Learn to visit places alone. Learn to rely on yourself. The moment you stop being afraid to be alone, you become dangerous. Stop chasing people. You stop settling for less. You stop begging for seats that don't value you. And you finally start building your own table. And that is one of the greatest gifts you can ever gift yourself. And if you're still watching this video, hit the subscribe button and the like button, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत जल्दी 1K subscribers hit करने वाले हैं. And see you in my next video.